Hello guys, welcome back. So on this video I want to show you how to configure your custom email address inside your Android phone. All right, so here is my Android phone. I'm going to show you how to configure it within your Android immediately, and let me open it. So what we need to do is go to your Gmail app in your Android phone, open it, then go to the account up here. So tap on it, then come under the add another account, the last option here, then go to the last option, which is the order. Tap on it, then put your email address. So I'm going to use support@michaelebay.com. so click on next down here, then choose personal portrait. So you can see my account here. We're going to use personal portrait port 995. So I'll go by personal portrait, then put the email password that you created while you are creating this particular email address. So I need to paste the password and click on next down here. So the incoming server and the outgoing server is to be identified. Most times it will not be, look at this section here, the outgoing server and the incoming server is showing michaelebay.com, but most times it cannot be what you see here that we are going to use. So it depending on your hosting platform. All right, I'm using Namecheap for this hosting, so I'm going to use the incoming server, which is different from what is showing up here. When you host your domain name, your hosting company will send you your hosting details in your email address, so take note of those informations. All right, because you're going to be using it to configure the email. So in this section I'm going to change the server to this one here, then I click on next down here. So allow it to validate. The outgoing server, I'm going to change it to the one I used previously, which is this. Click on next, then sync frequently. How often do you want the email to be synchronized inside your Android device? So notify me every 15 minutes. Just try to do some basic setup. Click on next. So your account is set up and email is on its way. All right, then your name here will be displaying whenever you send an email to people. Then after that, click on next, and that was it. Look at the email here, support@michaelebay.com. so when you open it, you can see every email that is sent to your inbox. Interesting. You can from here start sending people email from your Gmail app. You can compose email, and let's try to see some things. You can see the way it appears in your Gmail app, but it is sending from, instead of your normal Gmail account, it is sending from your custom email. So that is how to configure it in your Android device. Then in this next video, I'm going to show you how to configure the same thing inside your Gmail in your system. If you're using laptop, you want to still have access to your custom email address inside your system. I'm still going to show you how it works right now. So to configure your custom email address inside Gmail in your system, what you need to do is log in into your Gmail account like I am here, then go to the setting up here, then go to see all settings. So when you open see all settings, what you need to do is come to account and import, then come to this section, add email account. So I need to bring this here, then put the same email address that you want to configure. So in this case, I'm using support@michaelebay.com. all right, so I'm going to paste it here. Click on next, then import email from other account. Click on next, then username, which is the same email address, then password. I'm going to paste my password for the email address. So when I paste the password, then on the pub server, I'm still going to use the one I used previously. Remember, it is different from this incoming server here. It is not the same. So your hosting provider will send you such information in your email account, all right, when you purchase the domain name and host it. So I'm going to paste it. All right, then always use secure connection. Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server, then label incoming messages. Okay, so I just have to tick this. Then what is the port? Then let's check the details here. The incoming is 995. So port 995, have to select the port here, then click on add account. All right. Okay, I just have to save this. So your account has been added, but is not yet the end of it, so we'll have to proceed for other things. So click on next. This particular name here will be showing on whenever I send email to people. All right, so just change it to whatever name that you want to use. So I can say support from Michael. All right, so whenever I send email to people using this email address, this will be showing on the email header. All right, so treat as alias. I'm going to click it, then click on next step, and we are going to put the outgoing server. So we are still going to do the same thing. Remember, this is not the outgoing server, so I still have to paste the previous one that I used, paste it, then the username and the password. All right, then what is the port? 465. So I have to select it here, 465. Secure connection using SSL recommended. All right, so click on add account, and congratulations, we've successfully located your server, your other server, and verify your credentials. Just one more step. So Gmail is going to send a code inside this my support at michaelebay.com. What I need to do is I need to verify the code, right? I need to verify, so I have to open my click on round cube and open the confirmation code. So you can see Gmail confirmation has sent a verification email in this my support at michaelebay.com. So what I need to do, for me to start sending email successfully from Gmail, I need to verify it here. So what I need to do is click on this. I want to copy it because I'm using different browser, so I have to come to this section, then paste the link and proceed. You can see, please confirm sending email support. Click on confirm. All right, successful. So my custom email has been connected to my Gmail account. I can now start sending emails. So I have to come to my Gmail, click on more. You should be able to appear down here, or I still have to refresh my Gmail to see the created email. So after I refresh the Gmail, look at it here, the new custom mail that I created. All right, this is it down here. So I can now start working with this one if I want to start sending people email via my Gmail app. So that is how to work about it, and thank you for sticking to this video. I'll see you in my next video.